Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are well and happy by the grace of Almighty Allah. My name is Himia Afrin, Assistant Teacher of Digholia South Government Primary School, Digholia, Khulna. I am teaching you English for today, class 4. On behalf of ঘরে বসে শিখি online class. Students, do you want to like watching a video? Yes, all of you like to watch a video. Today I am showing to watch a video of a story. After watching this video, we will share our ideas. Okay, dear students, now start to watch the video.
Little Red Hen lived on a farm with her 5 little chicks. She worked very hard every day. She used to scratch the barnyard from morning to night, looking for food for herself and her chicks. She was not alone on the farm. A dog, a cat, and a duck also lived there. But they were lazy. They used to sit around the barnyard and watch the hen work and scratch. One day, the hen found some corn. She was very happy and decided to plant it. Who will help me plant it? She asked her neighbors. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the duck. Then the hen had to take the corn to the mill to be ground into flour. She asked if anyone would help, but they all said no. So she took the corn to the mill all by herself. The hen decided to bake a cake with the corn flour. Who will help me bake the cake? She asked everyone. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the duck. Then I will, said the hen. I will bake the cake myself. At last, the fresh warm cake was ready. And the dog and the cat and the duck gathered around the cake, hoping for a nice big piece. Who will eat my cake? Asked the hen. I will, said the dog. I will, said the cat. I will, said the duck. No, you will not, said the hen. My 5 little chicks and I will eat the cake.
Dear students, তোমাদের ভিডিওটি কেমন লেগেছে? নিশ্চয়ই ভালো লেগেছে। আচ্ছা বলতে পারো আমরা ভিডিওতে কি দেখেছি? হ্যাঁ, তোমাদের উত্তরগুলো ঠিকই আছে। তোমরা ভালো বুঝেছো। আচ্ছা এই ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে আমরা কি বলতে পারি বলতে পারো? এই ভিডিওতে আমরা প্রাণী দেখেছি, অনেকগুলো প্রাণী দেখলাম, অ্যানিমাল দেখলাম, তাই না? তার ভিতর কিছু প্রাণী খাবার তৈরি করলো, কাজের মাধ্যমে তারা শেষ পর্যন্ত খাবার গ্রহণ করলো, খেতে পারলো। আর যারা কাজ করেনি তারা কি খাবারগুলো খেতে পেরেছে? না। হ্যাঁ, তোমাদের উত্তর ঠিকই আছে। তাহলে এই ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে আমরা একটা সিদ্ধান্ত নিতে পারলাম যে যারা কাজ করে বা কর্মঠ থাকে তারা একটা নির্দিষ্ট লক্ষ্যে পৌঁছাতে পারে, আর যারা অলস লেজি তারা কখনো সেই লক্ষ্যে পৌঁছাতে পারে না। ধন্যবাদ শিক্ষার্থীরা। Now look at this picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, your answer is right. A hen and chicks. Okay, dear student. Today we are going to work Unit 25. Lesson 1 and 2, activity A and B. Now, dear students, open your diary and take your pen. Write the topic of this lesson. The lesson of this topic is the hen and her chicks. আশা করি তোমাদের সবার ডায়েরিতে লেখা হয়ে গেছে। ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, নাও লুক অ্যাট দিস পিকচার and think about it. Have you done? What do you see in the picture? Yes, your answer is right. We see animals, plant, sun, cloud, table, chair. Okay, dear students, how many animals are there in the picture? Yes, your answer is right. There are 7 animals in the picture. Who are working? Yes, your answer is right. The hen and chicks are working. Who are eating? The hen and the chicks are eating. Okay? Who are standing? The dog, mouse, and duck are standing. Okay, dear students. Now, open your book, page 50. Okay, dear student, look at the word and picture. This picture is for the words. First, hen, chick, cloud, mouse, bread, duck, dog, and plant. This picture is for this word, just like hen. This picture is hen for this word. Chick, this picture is for the word chick. Cloud, this picture is for the cloud. Mouse, this picture is for the word mouse. Bread, this picture is for the word bread. So, dear students, when you see the word and picture, then you easily understand it. Okay, dear students, now open your book, page 50. Have you done? Okay, now I will read and you will listen to me carefully. Okay? Activity A. Look, read the dialogue. Take 1. The work is hard. It's hot in the sun. Take 2. Mouse, duck and dog are having fun. Take 3. Why don't you laugh and play and fun? Hen, you will know when the work is done. Dog, is that bread? It smells so fine. Mouse, I want some bread. What part is mine? Duck, I want some too. When do you dine? Hen, you didn't plant or work or cook. 6. So you can't eat. You can stand and look. Okay, dear students, this is now I will tell you the Bengali of this English dialogue. Cheek 1. The work is hard. Cheek 1 বলছে যে এই কাজটা কঠিন। It's hot in the sun. রোদে খুব গরম। Cheek 2. মাউস এবং ডাক, পাতিয়াস, মাউস, ইঁদুর, পাতিয়াস এবং কুকুর এরা মজা করছে। Cheek 3 বলছে why can't we laugh and play and fun? তাহলে কেন আমরা হাসতে, খেলতে বা দৌড়াতে পারি না? হেন, মুরগি তখন বলছে you will know when the work is done. তোমরা তখন জানবে যখন এই কাজটা শেষ হবে। Dog, is that bread? ওটা কি রুটি? It smells so fine. এই ঘ্রাণটা খুব সুন্দর, চমৎকার। মাউস বলছে I want some bread. আমি কিছু রুটি চাই। What part is mine? কোন অংশটা আমার? এই রুটি। Dog, is that bread? ওটা কি রুটি? It smells so fine. এর ঘ্রাণটা খুব সুন্দর, চমৎকার। মাউস, I want some bread. আমি কিছু রুটি চাই। What part is mine? কোন অংশটা আমার? Duck, I want some too. আমিও কিছু চাই। When do you dine? কখন আমরা এটা খাবো? Hen, you didn't plant or work or cook. তোমরা গাছ রোপণ করনি, কাজও করনি এবং রান্নাও করনি। 6. So you can't eat. সুতরাং তোমরা খেতে পারো না। You can stand and look. তোমরা দাঁড়াবে এবং দেখবে। Do you understand, student? Okay. I think all of you understand this story. Do you understand about this story? Can you tell me how many animals in this story? Okay, your answer is right. There are 7 animals. That's chick 1, chick 2, chick 3, hen, dog, mouse and duck. Okay? If we want to act on this story, then আমরা যখন এই নাটকের উপর অভিনয় করব, তখন আমরা এই চরিত্রগুলো নিয়ে এক একটা, যেমন চিক 1 আছে, চিক 2 আছে, চিক 3 আছে, হেন আছে, ডগ আছে, মাউস আছে এবং ডাক আছে। এদের ডায়লগগুলো যখন চিক 1 নেব তখন চিক 1 এর ডায়লগটা বলবো। আবার যখন হেনের চরিত্রটা অভিনয় করব তখন হেনের ডায়লগ যেটা ছিল, যা বলছে, তখন হেন হয়ে ওই ডায়লগটা বলবো। Now you follow me. Here, just I am showing you. This work is hard. It's hot in the sun. Mouse, duck and dog are having fun. Why can't we laugh and play and run? You will know when the work is done. Is that bread? It smells so fine. It's fine. I want some bread. What part is mine? I want some too. When do you dine? You didn't plant, work or cook. So you can't eat. You can stand and look. This is a acting of dialogue for dialogue. So when okay, dear student, now I want to ask you some question about this story. Are you ready? Yes. You can see the text and give the answer. Okay, first question number 1. What about the story is? Yes, your answer is right. The story is the hen and her chicks. Okay, question number 2. Who are having fun? Yes, your answer is right. The dog, mouse and ducks are having fun. Question number 3. How was the work? How was the work? Okay, your answer is right. The work is planning, cooking food. Okay, dear students. Question number 4. Who are eating the food? Yes, this answer is also right. The hen and chicks are eating food. Question number 5. How was the animal hen? Okay, dear student, your answer is also right. The hen was very active. Okay, dear student, I think all of you like this story. Now it's time to give you a homework. So, dear student, now open your diary and take your pen. Have you done? Okay? Now write this question. The question is, why do you like to read this story? You will write the answer of this question when you will write, you will use 2 or 3 sentences. for giving the answer. Okay, dear student, do you understand? Yes. Students, obviously preserve this khata. When your school will be opened, you will show this khata to your teacher, and your teacher will give you the feedback if it's necessary. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you very much. See you again. Goodbye. কয় মিনিট হয়েছে? 5 মিনিট হয়েছে? কয় মিনিট হয়েছে?